Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the first update for the new project, the 5 products, 5 uses project. And I'm filming this after 2 weeks from the intro. I think 2 weeks is maybe too little time. I need to reassess the situation a bit. Maybe I will do the update when I used one of the products at least 5 times. Maybe that way we can at least swap out one product. I think that could be a good idea. We did use one product 5 times, so I think it is okay right now, but let's see for the future. So first of all, we have the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is the mini in berry. I do really like it. I did use this one 4 times in this period, and yeah, so for sure I will swap it out next time because I have one more use left. But yeah, it's just, I got this one with a kit because I was curious about the other two products from the kit, and for sure I don't need something like this in my collection just because I find this product useful as a sealer. In my opinion, this product on its own is not that hydrating or something. It's just keeping the moisture on your lips. So I can use a gloss for something like that. That is a sealer and a bit of a hydrator 2-in-1. So yeah, this one has 12 months of shelf life. So I will use it until it will expire and then I'm gonna declutter it. I don't think I will finish this one up. It's a bit hard for me to reach for it. Next is a product that I did use exactly 5 times, and it is the Zara perfume, and I really like this one. It is a great perfume. It smells very florally and fruity, and I really like it. I'm gonna try my best to finish this one up, but even though I have the smallest bit left, it is almost September, so this florally fruity scent, it will not work for autumn. But I'm gonna try my best to use this one as much as possible in September. I don't know exactly if I will be able to do something like that, but I do want to finish it up. And we are gonna introduce a new product, but that will be at the end of the video. Next we have the NYX Butter Gloss Bling. I used this one 3 times, and if I am using a normal gloss and this one just in the middle, that looks nice. And as well, if I'm using a pretty dark shade, something maybe like this, I could put this one on top and it will look nice. But otherwise, with something very nude or this one on its own with a good quantity, it looks just too glittery for me. So I still have 2 uses left. I will probably use it by the end of the next update. But yeah, not the best purchase for me. Next we have the MAC blush. This one I used only 2 times. It is the shade Warm Soul. It is a beautiful blush, but I do rotate through my blushes in general, so it is so beautiful and luxurious. It's still a great formula because it is more of a satiny blush, so it's not emphasizing texture or something like that, but it's still glowy, still incredibly beautiful on the cheeks. I can't recommend this one enough. This color is so flattering. I could compare this one to the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk when it comes to lips. This is when it comes to blushes. Maybe that could be a great video idea. Products that are just flattering or something like that. Lastly on the list we have the Oden eyeshadow, and I used this one only once, and it's a stunning shade. It is the shade Robert from Oden, like I said. It's beautiful. I really like it, but yeah, I used it only once. It is what it is. I'm gonna use it more, but yeah, I'm not doing eyeshadow too often, so because of that, yeah, I need to force myself a bit to use this one in particular, so that's the reason I didn't use it. Lastly, let's introduce the new product. So we are swapping the Zara perfume with another Zara product, and because again the summer it's on the last leg, I would like to use this one 5 times in September. So yeah, I don't think I will be able to finish it in 5 uses, but at least I will be almost done or something like that. This is the Zara Shimmering Body Oil. This has 12 months of shelf life, but I know that I will probably not be able to use this one in the colder months, and by the next summer this will be decently old, so I would like to finish it up in September. So that's the reason I'm putting it in this project. I feel like it fits just perfect in here. I hope you like this video idea. I for sure do. I feel like we can introduce some really fun products in this project, so I really enjoy it. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.